If you're searching for a reliable and high-quality endoscope camera, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best endoscope cameras that offer the perfect blend of performance, features, and value for your needs. Let's get started. Item number 5. The TESLONG TD450S is a top-tier articulating borescope with a 5.5mm ultra-thin lens, ideal for tight and hard-to-reach spaces. It features a 4.5-inch IPS screen for crystal-clear visuals and two-way articulation for precise navigation. Powerful adjustable LED lights enhance visibility in dark areas. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for inspecting engines, pipes, and more. CE and FCC certified, this device saves time and money on professional-grade inspections, an essential tool for technicians and DIYers alike. Item number 4. The KERUI S43OTG is a versatile endoscope camera with a 4.3-inch screen, 8mm dual or single lens, and 1080p HD resolution. It supports Android and iOS, captures photos and videos, and features 8 adjustable LED lights. With 360 rotation, IP67 waterproofing, and multilingual support, it's ideal for inspecting engines, vents, pipelines, and more. The hardwire cable comes in 1 to 3 meters, and it operates in tough conditions, making it perfect for home, industrial, or automotive use. Item number 3. The Lafoch Y400 is a high-precision, two-way articulating borescope with a 3.9mm or 6.4mm probe and a crystal-clear 4.3-inch IPS screen. It offers 1080p HD resolution, 6 adjustable LED lights, and a semi-rigid IP67 waterproof cable for versatile inspections. With no app required, it's ready to use for engines, HVAC, and more. Its 2-megapixel camera captures both photos and videos, making it the perfect tool for professionals needing clarity and flexibility in tight, hard-to-reach areas. Item number 2. The Enwar T23 is a powerful 7-inch triple-lens endoscope featuring front and side cameras for full-angle inspection. With 1080p to 1920p HD resolution, IP68 waterproof rating, and 3000 mAh battery, it delivers 3 to 5 hours of clear, uninterrupted performance. The rigid cable, adjustable LED lights, and built-in photo-video recording make it ideal for automotive, plumbing, and industrial use. Its wide viewing angle and included accessories like hooks and magnets ensure you're ready for any inspection challenge. Item number 1. The TESLONG TD500 is a dual-lens articulating borescope with a 6.5mm probe and 2-megapixel cameras for both front and side viewing. Its flexible probe rotates up to 210 degrees, perfect for inspecting hard-to-reach areas. The 5-inch IPS screen delivers sharp 1080p visuals, while its compact design ensures easy portability. With a durable build and user-friendly interface, it's ideal for automotive, industrial, and maintenance tasks, making inspections faster, clearer, and more efficient every time. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.